Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round! And then the lightning rounds are. Are you ready? Keep that time for the lightning round. That's over. Steven in Colorado. Steven!
Hi, Jim. Hi, this is Steven. I was wondering about Oceaneering International. It's O-I-I.
It's right. It's right. It's right here. It does a lot of it, and it does, you know, there are a lot of times when I look at these stocks, I think, well, they have contracts, and the contracts can go bad. I think these guys are very good. Let's go to Keith in Illinois. Keith.
Hey, Jimmy Chill.
Yo, Chill man.
All you do. My grandpa got me into investing, and I don't know if you read all your books, so I want to thank you for that.
Well, thank you. Thank you. This is fabulous. Fabulous. How can I help?
Yeah, so I'm a 25-year-old investor. I've recently opened a position into this energy company. So I get your thoughts on kind of what to look out for. Ticker symbol TELL.
Tellurian. Okay, Sharif Suki. I think for a 25-year-old, that is a... And I'm going to throw in another. I'm going to do clean energy, CLNE. Why not? Why not? After we saw that fantastic bid by Chevron today. Now, here's what matters with Tellurian. Their balance sheet. It's not great. They have to raise a lot more debt. But when they are finished, there will be ready customers for their liquefied natural gas. Let's go to Jeff in Ohio. Jeff.
Hey, good afternoon, Mr. Kramer. Thanks for taking my call.
Quite well.
I took a couple positions in Equitrans before the end of last year with the recent news on their Mountain Valley pipeline and their latest earnings report. I'm off about 30% from my cost basis.
Okay.
What's your thoughts?
Well, okay. Some of these are better than others. And this one was down for multiple days. It yields 9. I'm worried about a 9% yielder. It makes me feel like it's not sustainable. Why don't you try Enbridge? That one we're not worried about because it's Al Monaco. Horace in Illinois. Horace.
How you doing, Jim?
I am good. How about you, Horace?
No, very good. Jim, I have just one question. I'd like to know your opinion about AT&T. Not the short term, but the long term.
Maybe for the long term, there's something there. Short term, no. Short term, it's a family show, so I can't really go into it. It's just not right. I worry about my reputation. I worry what people think of me. And I'm mostly worried about my late grandma, Nana Mary, who said, if you've done anything nice to say, don't say it. So therefore, that's my line on AT&T. Let's go to Steve in Massachusetts. Steve.
Hi, Mr. Cramer. This
Hello.
is Steve from Massachusetts. Been watching Mad Money since day one.
Day one? Hey, you're
day one, and I'm
you must
very
be
honored to
48.
speaking
What's
with
up?
you.
What's going on?
Well, the stock I'm calling about is a financial advisory and asset management company. It has a low PE of 7.4, a really nice dividend yield of 5.5%. It did recently have an insider trading issue. The stock has been plummeting. The name of the company is Lazard.
I like
L-A-Z.
Lazard. Jimmy Chill likes Lazard. I think this is an opportunity, not a negative. I like it. I think it can do well. And that's a really good one that you brought to me. Let's go to Anthony, Illinois. Anthony.
Yes, Jim, how are you?
I am good, Anthony. How about you?
I'm all right. You know, for the past 20 years, I've been listening to you on TV, and by paying close attention to what you're saying, your details, I've made a lot of money. My question today is concerning Doximity.
Doximity, I think, is very inexpensive. I think the doctors love it. It's a great way to get the word out. I want to thank you for the kind words. You know, Doximity is a high-growth stock. People don't like them, but one day they will. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.